Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well. I, your science teacher, present you the following lecture. So let's start. This is the title page of your book and the lesson number 1 of unit number 9, Heat and Light. And by the end of this lecture, we'll cover the following learning objectives like heat and temperature, and how is temperature measured. Yes, this is the activity time, okay? Look at these all objects and circle the objects that give off heat, okay? 1, 2, 3. Yes, the fire and the sun, the both things are give us heat, okay? Not iron, okay? Because the iron is an electrical appliance, okay? Yes, the first point is how is heat produced, okay? First of all, I'll tell you one thing. Heat is a form of energy, okay? Heat is a form of energy and heat is produced when molecules start moving. I told you before in the previous chapter that everything is matter and matters are made from atoms, okay? And when 2 or more atoms join together, they make molecules, okay? So heat is produced when molecules start moving. Got my point? For example, rub your hands together. As you do this, you are making molecules inside you move faster, okay? Just try, rub your hands. Yes, okay? And you should feel your hands getting warmer. Am I right? Yes. And when you stop rubbing, now stop it, your hands will cool down as the molecules slow down. Got my point, dear students? For example, this foot massage generates heat energy, okay? Movement is able to generate heat. For example, we rub our hands together when we feel cold, okay? And this produces heat to keep our hands warm. Yes, the faster the molecules move, the hotter the object gets. Look at this picture. High movement of molecules, high temperature. Low movement of molecules, low temperature. Clear? Means in the simple word, heat is a form of energy and it is produced when molecules start moving. And faster the molecules move, the hotter the object gets. Okay? And when molecules start slowing down, the matter that the molecules are in gets cooler. And example are here. You can see in this picture as well. Clear? So the question, how is heat produced? Heat is produced when molecules start moving. Yes, the new topic is temperature. Okay, what is temperature? Mostly students just think about I have a fever, I have a temperature, right? But no, temperature is... Yes, the temperature of a substance tells us how hot or cold it is, okay? Temperature is a degree of hotness or coldness, okay? Hotness or coldness that can be measured, okay? And it's also a measure of how fast the atoms and molecules of a substance are moving. Everything is going around the matter and molecules and atoms. Clear? Yes, and how we measure the temperature? We use thermometer. Everybody know what is thermometer, okay? Thermometer is basically an instrument and it is used for measuring temperature. Yes, there are 2 main scales for measuring temperature. Celsius and Fahrenheit, okay? And most countries around the world, including Pakistan, okay, use the Celsius scale, okay? There are 2 scales, Celsius and Fahrenheit, but mostly countries use Celsius scale, okay? Look at the sign C, and this sign is called degree, okay? Celsius scale. Celsius, C from Celsius, and F from Fahrenheit. Okay, there are two scales, Celsius and Fahrenheit, but most countries, including Pakistan, okay, including us, we use Celsius scale to find out the temperature. Okay, so my dear students, this is a thermometer. Okay, and thermometer is used to find out the temperature of anything. Okay, and there are two main scales, Celsius and Fahrenheit. Celsius C and Fahrenheit F. Okay, and this small sign is called degree. Okay, and most countries, including Pakistan, use Celsius scale. Clear? Yes. The temperature at which water boils is 100 degrees centigrade. Okay, if you want your water boiled, then the temperature should be 100 degrees centigrade. Then your water is in the condition of boiling. Got? And the ice, when the water freezes, is 0 degrees centigrade. Okay. Yes, my dear students, there is a visual explanation. Okay, and must watch these two links. Okay, how is temperature measured? This link is very much interesting, and I told you before, the visual explanation always make your learning process very much easy. Okay, so don't ignore it. Okay, answer the following questions. You have two question answer. Okay, question number 1 is, how is heat produced? Okay, and the question number 2 is, what is temperature? How is it measured? Temperature tells us how hot or cold something is, and temperature is measured on a thermometer on the Celsius scale. This is the home task. Write questions answers on notebook and learn question answers. Okay, I told you I told you about just half lecture. Okay, we just discussed about the heat. Okay, and this topic has just two question answer, so must learn and write on your notebook. Notebook means copy. Okay, write these two question answers on your science note copy, not copy. Okay, notebook means copy, and learn it by heart. Okay, and do page number 29, 30, 31 from your workbook. Okay, and I will upload these 3 pages in Google Classroom as well. Okay, yes, wrap up. Heat is produced when molecules start moving. Okay, I told you that heat is a form of energy, and it is produced when molecules start moving. Okay, the faster the molecules move, the hotter the object gets. And when molecules start slowing down, the matter that the molecules are in gets cooler. Okay, and what is temperature? I told you before, temperature is how hot or cold something is. Okay, and there are two main scales for measuring temperature, Celsius and Fahrenheit. Celsius capital C and Fahrenheit capital F. Okay, and most countries around the world, including Pakistan, use the Celsius scale. The temperature at which water boils is 100 degrees centigrade. Okay, and the temperature at which water freezes is 0 degrees centigrade. Okay, my dear students, and the instrument for measuring temperature is called thermometer. Got my point? Okay, my dear students, thank you so much. Take supreme care of yourself. Signing off for now until the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.